Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fig recipes. To begin, always select figs that are plump and soft to the touch, indicating ripeness. Avoid any with bruises or sour smells. Figs offer a unique, honey-like sweetness and a slightly chewy texture, making them perfect for a wide array of culinary creations. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a home cook, incorporating figs into your meals can elevate your dishes with their distinct flavor profile. For sweet applications, figs truly shine. Imagine a warm fig tart with a flaky crust, or a rich fig and almond cake. You can also create a delightful fig jam by simmering about 1 pound of fresh figs with half a cup of sugar and a squeeze of lemon juice for 20 to 30 minutes. This jam is fantastic on toast or as an accompaniment to cheese. Don't forget simple pleasures like fresh figs drizzled with honey and a dollop of Greek yogurt. Figs are equally impressive in savory dishes, offering a beautiful contrast. Try wrapping fresh figs in thin slices of prosciutto and baking them for 10 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for an elegant appetizer. They also elevate salads when combined with arugula, goat cheese, and a light vinaigrette. Roasting figs with a drizzle of balsamic glaze and a sprig of rosemary creates a fantastic side dish for roasted chicken or pork loin, adding a touch of sophisticated sweetness. To get the most out of your figs, remember a few key tips. Fresh figs are quite delicate, so handle them gently and wash them just before you plan to use them. Store ripe figs in a single layer in the refrigerator, where they will last for about 5 to 7 days. For longer preservation, you can freeze whole or sliced figs on a baking sheet before transferring them to an airtight container, keeping them fresh for up to a year. Enjoy experimenting with this wonderful fruit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.